In this overview, we will go over tags in TaxDome. Tags are 1, 2, or 3-word long color-coded labels for finding or grouping your client accounts, contacts, time entries, and tasks. The TaxDome tagging system helps you organize your workflow. Consider tags a flexible way to categorize your data based on criteria that matter to your firm: client type, service offered, deadline status, or any other classification. Tags can be used for accounts, contacts, time entries, documents, and tasks. However, you can find them all in the Template section, in the Tag subsection of the left sidebar. Here, you can see all the tags you've created manually and the AI-generated tags for documents. More on that later. You can also create new ones, edit and delete them here. We have videos explaining how to do all of that. Account tags are especially powerful as they can be used in automation workflows. Unlike other tag types, they can trigger pipeline automations and be used in conditional logic. For example, suppose we want an email with portal login instructions only to be sent to new clients and a welcome back email to returning clients. In a tax return pipeline, we will add 2 automations, each to send different email templates. Then we will add conditions. The first will be triggered only for new clients, while the second will be for returning clients. These different emails will be sent when a new job is created. Contact tags help you categorize and organize your contacts. This allows for more refined filtering and searching of your contact database. For example, suppose you want to look for contacts linked to family accounts instead of your typical company or personal ones. Click the Filter button, select Tags, click on the box for Family, and press Enter. Here, you can see the results. Time entry tags help you categorize different types of billable work, making it easier to analyze where time is being spent. Just like with accounts, you can use them to filter specific time entries. Document tags help you organize and quickly locate specific types of files across your entire document library or within a particular client's documents. Unlike tags for accounts or tasks, document tags can be applied automatically with TaxDome AI. You have to enable it on your side. We have a video on that. Once your clients upload documents, TaxDome AI will rename and apply tags to them. By default, TaxDome AI uses a set of tags associated with different document types. Those are the only tags that TaxDome AI will work with. Once tagged, you can filter all your documents, just like the previous examples. Task tags allow you to categorize different types of work, making it easier to manage workloads and track progress across various service areas or project types. So once again, you can filter tasks depending on whether they are related to bookkeeping, payroll, tax returns, or any other criteria you want.